Philip here with your Tuesday tip of the week. We've had a rainy day today, thank goodness. Two things to think about in effort to keep your basement dry: gutters and grade. Grade meaning positive drainage away from your foundation, and clean gutters free of any debris such as leaves and sticks. We're here at my house and I have a problem area in my gutter system. I'm going to see if it needs to be cleaned out. You got to be careful here. Sure enough, look at all this yummy. Let's get it out of here. And just like that, I've got clean gutters. And that's your Tuesday tip of the week.